This is a brief introduction on how you can use Whiteboard.fi in your lessons. First of all, you'll need to register. So click the register button, fill out your details, and it will give you a login. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your teacher dashboard and you'll be faced with this screen here. First thing you need to do is create a new room. If you have the trial version, you can only create a temporary room. Should you have the premium version, you can create permanent rooms. So at the moment, we'll create a temporary room. You'll then be given a code that you can send to your class in the Teams chat. So click copy URL to clipboard and then paste that in the chat on Teams, and you can ask students to join from there. Students will be given a screen where they must input their name and then they can join the whiteboard class. Students will only be able to see your whiteboard or their own whiteboard. You'll now notice that the student has joined the class, and when they write on there, it will now appear on your screen in real time. So you can now see all of the students in your class will come up as mini whiteboards. If you wish to share your whiteboard, you can click toggle my whiteboard, and you can write on your own whiteboard, for example, 2x equals 10. Students can view your whiteboard by going toggle teacher whiteboard on their device, and that will show your screen. You can also push your whiteboard onto theirs by going push to students all pages. And now students' whiteboards will automatically display the same as yours. But they will not get live updates unless they're viewing your whiteboard live. If students wish to write mathematics and do not have access to a touchscreen device or a graphics tablet, they can type mathematics by using the insert math function, which is the little picture of the square root. And then they can type their mathematics in here as they see fit. If they're confident using latex code, they can also use latex code. Should a student write something inappropriate on their whiteboard, or you wish to erase their whiteboard, you can do a number of things by clicking on their whiteboard. And you can either write a comment to them, you can give them quick feedback with either a like or a thumbs up or a thumbs down. You've also got the option by clicking on actions of kicking a student if they're inappropriate. You can copy what they've written onto your whiteboard, or you can push the teacher whiteboard to this student's whiteboard here. You can also erase their whiteboard or save their whiteboard as an image if you wish. That should be a brief overview on how you can use Whiteboard.fi within your lessons.